Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Survivior IO plus game where you can get gems for completely free. As you can see, I still have to pay for all of this right there, but when I click that toggle switch right at the top, I'm going to click that, and as you can see, everything is completely free, so I can get as many things as I want. And it was super simple, super easy, didn't have to pay for anything. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the app that I'm going to be showing you how to download today is called Survivior IO, and I'm going to be showing you how to hack the game and get unlimited gems. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and click into there, and as you can see, there is the menu, and in that top section of the app, there's this toggle switch. You're going to click that, and there you go, everything just becomes free. As you can see, I only have like 50 gems, but then I click this 14,000 option right here. I have 14,000, and then I'm going to go ahead and click it again, and there I have 28,000. And yeah, super simple, super easy to download. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. But before we do that, we're going to have to make a few setting changes in our settings app just to make sure that the phone or that your phone and the app are compatible and that it can download successfully. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our settings app and scroll to battery down here. And in battery, you're going to see the low power mode option right at the top. You're going to want to make sure that your low power mode is off, because when it's on, your phone doesn't really work as hard just because it's, preserving your battery. So yeah, once you're done with that, you're going to go back, and then we are going to go to general. And then in the general, you're going to see the about option right at the top over here. It's going to say software version. You're going to want to make sure that your phone is updated to at least iOS 10. We are on 15.4.1, so that means we are good to go. So then we are going to go back into general and then scroll down to background app refresh right over here. You're going to click that. It's going to say background app refresh right at the top. You're going to click there. Then it's going to say off Wi-Fi, and cellular data as your three options. You're going to want to be on the last one, which is the Wi-Fi and cellular data. When I first downloaded this app, my phone was already on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option, so you didn't really have to do much work, but you're just going to go ahead and check that out, make sure that it's on that option. Then we're going to close out and go to the general tab again. We're just going to stay there just because we're going to do something with it later. But the next thing we're going to do is go to our favorite web browser. You can use Safari. I like using Chrome. And in that web browser, you're going to type in the website called appbuild.vip. appbuild.vip. There it is right there. You're going to click that. Then it's going to take you to a bunch of, it's going to take you to this website that has a bunch of your favorite apps that are hacked, where you can get super cool things for completely free. But today we are going to look for the Survivior.io or Survivior IO game. There it is, Survivior. I don't know how to pronounce them. Survivior IO. And you're going to click that blue install button right over there and wait for that to download. It should only take about 30 seconds, nothing too crazy, so we're going to wait for that. Alright. Okay, so this pop-up is going to come up. You're just going to go ahead and click the continue button. It's going to take you to this other pop-up, or this other thing's going to pop up. You're just going to click allow. And then it's going to say the profile is downloaded. Basically, it's saying that you just need to go to the settings app to further install it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to click that close button. Then we're going to go to our settings app again. And like I said, we're going to stay in general. But instead of being at the top, we're going to be down at the bottom at the VPN and device management section. You're going to click that Survivior IO installer right over here under that downloaded profile option. And then you're going to click install in the top right corner, and then it's going to ask you for your passcode. Click that, type that in. Then it's going to say consent. You're going to click next. It's going to say warning, don't worry about it, just click install, nothing's going to happen. and it's going to ask you to install again in the bottom too. So then at the top right after that, it's going to say the profile is installed. You're going to click done, and when you close out, there is that Survivior IO app, the game, the hack to get unlimited gems on the game. So yeah, I really hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you later.